Hi there, the Met Office have issued an amber warning for Storm Ashley, which arrives on Sunday. That amber warning is for Western Scotland with wind gusts of 80 miles an hour in places. But at the time of recording, Storm Ashley is on the other side of the Atlantic and a relatively shallow area of low pressure. It deepens rapidly as it gets picked up by the jet stream during Saturday and ends up as a particularly deep area of low pressure with a widespread swathe of gales and wind gusts in excess of 60 miles an hour for many western and northern parts of the country. Ahead of Ashley, there's another low that has been bringing wet and windy weather to the UK on Friday, and that wind and rain will move through Scotland and Northern Ireland during the evening, heading into western England and Wales by late evening and the early hours of Saturday. Now, it's been a fine day on Friday in the east of England, but the wind and rain does turn up here later, although the wind is easing all the while, and that rain becomes slow moving. But with the cloud and the rain, it's going to be a mild night for England and Wales. Scotland and Northern Ireland, a cooler night with temperatures dipping into the single figures or even low single figures in some sheltered spots. But that's where the brightest weather will be first thing, albeit with a few showers for western Scotland and parts of Northern Ireland. We'll also see some bright skies for the northwest of England, Wales and the southwest. But for the Midlands, central southern England, a slow start before the sunshine pushes in here by the afternoon. And for the east of England, especially towards the southeast, it may take until the end of the afternoon for that rain to finally clear. As a result, 12 to 14 Celsius in the east of England, but 16 or 17 where we get the sunshine elsewhere. And with winds turning lighter through the day, it's going to be a lot more pleasant, I think, in the west compared with Friday. Any showers do fade away on Saturday evening, and it's a relatively calm spell, at least for the first half of the night. But as you can see, by midnight, the cloud is thickening, the wind is strengthening, and outbreaks of rain are moving into Northern Ireland and western fringes of Britain. That rain heavy at times and accompanied by gales by the end of the night as the first swathe of two swathes of strong winds move in, and western parts of the UK start Sunday with wind gusts of 50 or 60 miles an hour, particularly for exposed coasts and hills, accompanied by heavy rain. But the strongest winds are to the south of Ashley as it moves to the northwest of Scotland. And it's across exposed parts of Northern Ireland and western Scotland where we're likely to see wind gusts of 70 miles an hour, and for parts of western Scotland, wind gusts of 80 miles an hour or perhaps a fraction more are possible. Those kinds of wind gusts could cause considerable disruption, damage to buildings, transport disruptions, so for the ferry crossings, for example, and also the risk to coastal communities of flooding, because these strong winds coincide with a period of high tides, so that risk is especially great for this particular area of low pressure. And of course, those strong winds are going to continue through Sunday, but peak during the evening. Elsewhere across the UK, there's a yellow warning for many northern and western parts of the country, but it's going to be a windy day everywhere. And on Sunday morning, the wettest weather will be across western and northern parts of the country before swiftly moving east during the morning. Brighter skies do follow, with the rain ending up across central and southeastern parts. And there'll be some sunny spells in the northwest with some heavy showers, but that's when the strongest winds will arrive late Sunday. So watch out for that. We'll keep you updated right here on YouTube through the weekend, and we'll also keep you updated on the Met Office social media channels as well as the website and app. Stay across all the latest updates to forecasts and warnings, and stay safe. Bye-bye.